Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, April 2. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, says all is in place for the by-election in the Portland Eastern constituency scheduled for Thursday, April 4. The EOJ says it has trained election day workers and preparation has been made for the timely distribution of all materials necessary for conducting the polls. The Electoral Office says the over 36,000 registered voters in the Portland Eastern Division will cast votes at 127 polling stations across 49 voting locations. It emphasizes that only electors registered to vote in the constituency will be allowed to vote in the upcoming election. To confirm polling stations, electors may check the Electoral Commission of Jamaica's website at ecj.com.jm. Click on Query Voters List to find which polling station they are to cast their ballots. The EOJ is reminding electors to take their voter's ID card to the polling stations. Candidates are being reminded too that all election campaigning ends on Wednesday, April 3. Polls will open at 7 a.m. and close at 5 p.m., after which the preliminary counting of ballots will take place. Chief Justice Brian Sykes is imploring leaders in the Jamaica Constabulary Force and other public sector agencies to model the behavior they want to see in others under their command. Justice Sykes was addressing a group of 24 graduates from the National Police College of Jamaica's 5th Strategic Command course on Friday.
Because if you don't do that, there's going to be a disconnect. And so your moral authority to lead is going to be eroded. And so you're going to have a difficult time implementing whatever it is that you wish to implement.
The main objective of the 6-week course is to equip participants with the skills to become more efficient and strategic leaders and managers. Course content include strategic management and leadership and how to manage professional hurt. The group included 19 JCF personnel, 1 person each from the Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago Police Forces, the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, the Jamaica Customs Agency, and the Jamaica Fire Brigade. The training was held under the theme, Improving Leadership in Policing and Public Safety Security Sectors. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, says Symbiote Investments, which trades locally as Carousel, is not authorized to operate in Jamaica. As a result, the utilities regulator will seek to protect the interest of consumers by ensuring that Carousel ceases its operations. The OUR's decision follows a March 29 Court of Appeal ruling which said Symbiote is not authorized to own or operate a facility, nor is it permitted to provide telecommunications or other specified services as defined in the Telecommunications Act to the public. The Court of Appeal also denied Symbiote's application for a stay of the Technology Minister's decision to revoke its telecommunications licenses and set aside the order granting it permission to appeal. The ruling is in line with the December 2018 decision to deny Symbiote's application for leave to apply for judicial review of the minister's decision. Symbiote's request for a temporary stay until a Privy Council appeal was made has also been denied. A pilot program has been launched to eliminate gender-based biases and violence in schools. The Gender Ambassadors Program GAP was launched on Friday and is being carried out by the Bureau of Gender Affairs in collaboration with the Education Ministry. Students from 11 secondary and 7 tertiary institutions across the island have been selected to participate as gender ambassadors.
Our gender ambassadors will therefore become leaders in their schools and communities. They will become advocates to carry the mantle of educating and sensitizing the most precious group of our population and leading by example.
I have all confidence that you will remain committed to being good role models in your various institutions of learning and play your part in making a difference in your schools and communities, and to challenge harmful gender norms and stereotypes.
Minister Grange added that her ministry will provide the necessary support for the success of the program. The initiative is part of the government's 10-year National Strategic Action Plan to eliminate gender-based violence in Jamaica. Gloucester Avenue in Montego Bay is now Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The popular roadway, commonly called the Hip Strip, was renamed in honor of reggae icon Jimmy Cliff. The unveiling, which took place on Thursday, is in collaboration with the St. James Municipal Corporation and the Entertainment and Tourism Ministries.
Tonight belongs to Jimmy Cliff. Ska and reggae and other genres, a musician of Jamaica who is the product of the various genres of Jamaican music, a player of several instruments, singer, an actor, star of stage and screen, and more than anything else, one of Jamaica's greatest poets as a songwriter.
I am humbled and highly appreciative for this day, this time. Happy to see you all here. I am very thankful for this honor.
Jimmy Cliff, a Montegonian, was given a framed copy of the citation he received in 2017 at the Independence Celebration. And finally, Sam Sharp Square in Montego Bay has been earmarked to be a free public Wi-Fi area. It will become the 8th free internet area established across the island by the Universal Service Fund, USF. The USF aims to have at least one public Wi-Fi hotspot in every parish, with a plan to establish one each quarter. Technology Minister Favour Williams lauded the continued support by the USF to provide internet access to Jamaicans.
As a ministry and certainly as a government, we understand the growing need for connectivity for our people and the need to create a digitally inclusive society where no one is left behind.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.